holding my breath in the quiet night, through the glass where the city lights are blurred. In a small circle drawn with my fingers, the distant swaying scenery is blurred. Every time the cold window touches my cheek, a lonely sound resonates deep in my heart. The dreams reflected through the cold window, fleeting and swaying, I can't reach out. But somewhere you are smiling, that feeling supports me. Memories spilling like raindrops, transparent drops draw lines. The warmth of days gone by softly overlaps the cold glass. Gazing at the closed night, searching for light deep in my heart. Words remaining through the cold window. Even if I can't touch them, they won't disappear. The times I spent with you still light up quietly. If I open this window, a cold wind will blow in, but I feel that the future that unfolds beyond will make me stronger. The scenery floating through the cold window, every single one turns into hope. The moment the tears dry, a new morning comes to greet me. My shadow reflected in the cold window, eventually it melts and is enveloped in light. I quietly wish through this window for the day I can meet you.